Hello everyone, this is the last video from the first part of the practice section of my lettering course. I hope you are enjoying it, or else why would you watch the letter Z? Come on. Okay, I think you're doing well. You should if you actually tried to do something. I gave you all information that you actually need and a little bit more. Okay, the letter Z. It's not really common, so there are not a lot of ways to do it and cool stuff that you can do with it. But anyway, there are two main ways to write it. First one is just something like this, but a little bit more fancy. So I curve a little bit first and the last one, and I really like to add this little stroke between, and we can connect it with others here, something like this. We can make the letter go down and you can write something here. That's really cool when you can do it. Okay, and the last one is from cursive. It's something like this, or just like this as well. I guess you can write it. Okay, let's try it with a brush pen. First one, connect, then a little stroke. I hope you already know here what angle to use, how to do it, and you can just watch this video one time and repeat everything. I really hope you do, guys. We will try this one in the words, and let's try this too. This one is from cursive, like really fancy, like Spenceran or something like that. Yeah. Okay, let's make some words now. I don't know why didn't I use pencil to sketch a little bit all my words here in the previous videos, because sometimes it would help a lot. Just don't be afraid to use pencil just to sketch a little bit. Okay, we'll try the word zap first. Okay, set A and P, we will do like this. And yeah, we can even have a little stroke in here. And let's use a Sharpie. Okay, stroke here. And probably a little bit thicker in here and thinner in here, just as we have it here. Okay, then A. And actually if it's a zap, so it can make it a little bit more edgy here. This little angle here, yeah, and lighting. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, let's try something different now, with a letter like this, and we will write Zorro. And if you don't know who Zorro is, then, well, you probably didn't watch the series, I don't know. Yeah, let's make it like this. You see, we can make the O's really small, then two R's big, just as Z's here, and a little O at the end, and connect it like this, kind of underneath the underline. Okay, let's use this marker for it. Okay, yes. Then small one, then it can be pretty tricky. Yes. Well, you see, I didn't really start it at that angle because it's really uncomfortable to do it that way. I just added a little angle here afterwards. Okay, stroke in the middle. O, connect it here. Yeah, you see how all this Z, R and R kind of rhyme together, and it looks pretty nice, and the underline is cool as well. Okay, what else can we try? Let's try the fancy one with the word maze, and we will make something really fancy. Yeah, and we will use brushpen for this one. It can be pretty tricky. Yeah. A, this. Then our letter Z, well, Z, whoa, and E. And now the final wash here. Ooh, let's not mess everything up. Yes, that looks nice. And that's how you write the letter Z. And all the previous letters in the English alphabet, the smaller ones, just as you've seen them in the previous videos. Check out the next section with the big letters. It will be really fun to do if you learned something from here.